is a tool holding device. This is called tool holding device. Okay, so here you can place your tool. This is your single point cutting tool. Okay, here the length of tool is very short, but if the length of tool is very large, then with help of these 3 bolts, you can tight the tool holding device with these 3 bolts. Okay, so this is your single point cutting tool, and these are some spacer. Okay, or some supports on which your tool can be just rest. Why this is placed? Because the center point of the tool and center point of the job must be matched like this. See, in this manner you have to fix it. Okay, and here your point of the tool and see the center point of the tool, see here, and the job must be matched. See like this. Okay, that's why with the help of this wheel you can move your tool or apron throughout the lathe bed with help of this. Okay, hand wheel. Okay, so longitudinal motion can be possible with help of this hand wheel. Okay, so horizontal movement like this, longitudinal movement can be achieved, and with help of this small wheel, cross movement, it can be transversely, your tool can be moved inside and outside likewise. See, okay, so transversely it can move with help of this small wheel. This is chuck, this is your workpiece, this is lead screw, and this whole mechanism is called apron mechanism, and this is tool holding device. This is your this is your tail stock, and on the front side this is your headstock, and this is your chuck on which your tool workpiece is mounted. Okay, so this is your lathe machine, and this is our workshop in which number of lathes are there.